Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tip video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can identify the leaf springs on your trailer in just 4 easy steps. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. Right out of the box, the first thing you're going to want to identify is whether it is a double eye spring or a slipper spring. Now, how to tell the difference is if it is a double eye, it's obviously going to have 2 eyes, 2 bushings here for your bolts and your hangers, and if it's a slipper, it's just going to have 1 eye and 1 hook or a slipper for it to rest on your bolt, and then 1 to go through the eye. Now the next thing is identifying how many leaves your leaf spring actually has. So it's as simple as counting from the top to the bottom. You can see here, this is a 6 leaf spring. Next up, you're going to want to find the length of the leaf spring. Now to find the length of a double eye leaf spring, you're going to go from center of eye all the way across to the center of the eye in the bushing, and that is going to be 25 1/4 on this one. Now to find the length of a slipper spring, it's going to be a similar process, but instead of your eye on this side, you're going to be measuring from the inside of the hook across to the center of the eye, and that gets us 26 1/8. Now the last thing to find is the width of the spring. It's going to be the exact same process on both the slipper and the double eye, just simply measuring across the spring. There we have 2 inches for the slipper and 1 3/4 inch for the double eye. Alright, and that's a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help you. We'll catch you in the next one.